everybody, it's Thomas with Get Out Arizona, and you're watching another Toolbox Topic Quick Tip Expanded Edition with the lover of all things coconut, Brandon Van Leuven. Brandon, go.
All right, so here we go. Removing the front wheel off a bike with mechanical side pull or V-brakes and a quick release hub. First thing you want to do is pull back the boot. Boot really is just kind of a aesthetic. Might keep it a little bit cleaner in there, but it's not the ideal. But what you need to do is remove the noodle from that bracket. You do that by squeezing the caliper arms together to the point where that noodle will come right out of that slot. You can release the caliper arms and now move on to the quick release. So this is a cam lever. So if you undo the cam lever, it does loosen the wheel. However, there are safety tabs on there. Even with the cam lever completely open, the wheel will not fall out for your safety.
And did you call them lawyer tabs in another episode?
Yeah, they're called lawyer tabs too. That's what we call them.
Good stuff.
So what you need to do now is to back off either the nut or the lever. Since you're on that side, I'll just back off the lever, but you have to hold on to one side, otherwise it'll just keep spinning. So I'm holding onto the nut on this side, and I'm backing off the lever until I clear those lawyer tabs. And if you zoom in, you can see what I'm talking about, why you need to clear those two by backing it out.
Hopefully you guys can see those.
Cool. All right, we're gonna put it back in now.
All right.
So actually, this is a little bit easier than doing a hydraulic disc brake because we won't have to worry about two things. It's just lining up our hub with the dropout. So we're in there now. I always keep tension up so that they stay within the dropout, especially when the bike's in the stand. I can hold on to that nut on this side, and I can now thread this back until I have resistance about halfway up right there, making sure that the hub is completely seated in the dropout. I'm now going to close that up. That's a good tension for safety. And now we're going to move on to our brake.
All right.
Just reversing what we did previously, I'm going to keep that bracket down, and I'm going to squeeze both those brake arms until I can reseat the noodle back into the bracket and release. Put the boot back, give it a couple squeezes and make sure we're all lined up and the wheel spins freely. And that is how you do